So practice the questions well. Okay, my dear children. The entire exercise 3.3 is based on transformation formulae. Transformation formulae. And previous knowledge also. Both are important. In the exercise 3.4, we are going to discuss solutions of trigonometric equations. How to find in your earlier classes you have solved linear equations in one variable, linear equations in two variables. Similarly, here we are going to find solutions of trigonometric equations. How to find solutions of trigonometric equations? Okay, my dear children. Just for example, I will show you. Sin x is equal to 0. If sin x is equal to 0, can you tell me what is the value of x? What are the possible values of x? Can you tell me? Any one of you? Can you tell me what are the possible values of x? Okay, Maria. Can you tell me what are the possible values of x? Can you tell me? Sin 0, 0 or not? Sin 0 radius, sin 0 radius or sin 0 degrees. 0 degrees value is 0 or not? Again, after one complete rotation, again we get sine, that is 360 degrees. Sine 360 degrees also 0. Again 720 degrees also 0. Here, if you take clockwise rotation, if you take in the clockwise rotation, minus 360 degrees, minus 720 degrees. If you find sine 360 degrees, you get 0. Sine 720 degrees value is also 0. Sine minus 360 degrees value is also 0. Sine minus 720 degrees is also 0. How many solutions you found for this equation? This is called a trigonometric equation because in LHS there is a trigonometric function. So this equation is formed. This equation is formed by trigonometric functions. That is why this equation is called a trigonometric equation. What is this equation called? A trigonometric equation. Because this equation is formed with trigonometric functions. Sin x is a trigonometric function. So, if you observe, these are all solutions. How many solutions can you find for this equation? How many solutions can you find? Infinitely many solutions. Yes or no? Infinitely many solutions you can find. Similarly, cos x. So we can write these solutions. These solutions in the general form. In general form, sin x is equal to 0, then x is equal to can we write it or not? Can we write it or not? Can we write it or not? Tell me. General form of all these numbers. sorry, sine 180 degrees is also, sine 180 degrees also, sorry, sine 180 degrees also, 180 degrees, 180 degrees, this value is also 0, 360 degrees also 0, again 540 degrees is also 0, 720 degrees also 0, and so on. Similarly here, minus 180 degrees, minus 360 degrees, minus 540 degrees, and so on. So if you observe all these numbers, then we write all these numbers in the form of n pi. Pi means 180 degrees. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Here minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, and so on. So this is the general solution of the equation, trigonometric equation, sin x is equal to 0. Okay. This is general solution of sin x is equal to 0. Suppose cos x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0. How many degrees of cosine is 0? Cos 90. Yes or no? Cos pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2. Yes or no? So x is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, again 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2. Yes or no? Similarly, it's the opposite. Minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2. If you take any value of these numbers for x, we get cos x value is 0, cos pi by 2 is 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, cos 5 pi by 2 is 0, cos 7 pi by 2 is 0, cos 9 pi by 2 is 0. Similarly, cos minus pi by 2 is 0, cos minus 3 pi by 2 is 0, cos minus 5 by 2 is also 0. So, if you want to write all these numbers in the general form, if you observe, these are all odd numbers. Yes or no? Odd numbers. This is the general solution of a trigonometric equation. Cos x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0. You have to remember these points, my dear children. In the examination, they will not ask you to prove the general solution of sin x is equal to 0 is x is equal to n pi comma n belongs to z. Just for your understanding purpose, I am explaining these concepts. Okay. Now come to the third example. Tan x is equal to 0. Tan x is equal to 0. Can you tell me? When tan x is equal to 0, sin x by cos x. Yes or no? Tan x is equal to 0 means sin x by cos x. So if sin x is equal to 0, automatically tan x is also becomes 0. Tan x is also becomes 0. Means sin x general solution is general solution of tan x is equal to 0. So x is equal to we have found the general solutions of trigonometric equations of the form sin x is equal to 0. cos x is equal to 0 and tan x is equal to 0. What about other trigonometric functions? If other trigonometric functions are given, to solve the equations with some other trigonometric functions, we convert them into sine, cos and tan. Suppose secant x is equal to 0, cosecant x is equal to 0, like this if they gave, we have to convert them into sine, cos and tan respectively. Understood this point, my children? We solve the trigonometric equations in sine, cos and tan, not the remaining three trigonometric functions, secant, cosecant and cot. If these trigonometric functions, secant, cosecant, cot are given to solve the equation, we have to convert secant x into 1 by cos x, cosecant x 1 by sin x, cot x 1 by tan x. After converting these trigonometric functions in terms of sine, cos and tan, after that we solve the equations. Understood this point, my children? Please remember these general solutions. General solutions. I will write in the form of a table. In the form of a table here, I will write it in a short form. Please remember these three general solutions of trigonometric equations of the form sin x is equal to 0. Then its general solution is x is equal to n pi. If the trigonometric equation is in the form of cos x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, comma n belongs to z. And if a trigonometric equation is in the form of tan x is equal to 0, then the general solution is x is equal to n pi, comma n belongs to z. Understood these three general solutions of three trigonometric equations, my dear children? Is these three clear? Is these 3 points clear? But you have to remember these three general solutions. Okay, my children? Now take the screenshot. Now take the screenshot of this page number 1. Take the screenshot of this page number 1. Make it fast. Have you taken the screenshot? Yes. Benjamin, Richard, Ria, Easter. They have taken the screenshot. What about other children? Take it fast. Take it fast. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to discuss three more types of trigonometric functions. Three more types of trigonometric functions. Sometimes they will give a trigonometric equation in the form of sin x is equal to sin y. Sin x is equal to sin y. In this case, how to find general solution of this trigonometric equation? How to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation? Okay, consider. Now come to this one. Sin x is equal to sin y. Let us transpose this term to LHS. Sin x minus sin y is equal to 0. Now, if you observe LHS, it is in the form of sin c minus sin d. What is the formula for sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Because by using this trigonometric transformation formula, we wrote this step where c is equal to x, d is equal to y. So we got 2 cos of x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 is equal to 0. Now let us transpose this number to RHS. If you transpose number 2 to RHS, what we get here? Cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2 is equal to 0. So if we observe this equation, it is in the form of a into b is equal to 0. If product of two numbers, if the product of two numbers is equal to 0, then the first number may be 0 or the second number may be 0. Okay, so we can write this implies cos of x plus y by 2 is equal to 0. Cos of x plus y by 2 is equal to 0. Or the second factor is sin of x minus y. Sin of x minus y by 2 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of cos x is equal to 0. This is in the form of sin x is equal to 0. What is the general solution of sin x is equal to 0? X is equal to n pi. What is the general solution of cos x is equal to 0? X is equal to 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. We write the result here. This implies x plus y by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 comma n belongs to z, or x minus y by 2 is equal to n pi comma n belongs to z, because cos x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 comma n belongs to z, and sin x is equal to 0. If a trigonometric equation is in this form, sin x is equal to 0, then its general solution is x is equal to n pi comma n belongs to z. By using our previous knowledge, by using these two results, we wrote these two solutions for these two trigonometric functions. Okay, my children. So from this equation we find x value, and from this equation also let us find x value. This implies here 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, x plus y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi, comma n belongs to z. Here x minus y is equal to, by taking this, by transposing by 2 to RHS, we get 2 into n pi, 2n pi comma n belongs to z. From this equation, x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi comma n belongs to z, or x is equal to 2n pi plus y comma n belongs to z. So these are the general solutions. We convert them again. We write finally, ultimately we write the general solution of this sin x is equal to sin y. Okay. So this term can be written as x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by pi minus, this can be written as minus 1 whole power 2n plus 1 into y, comma n belongs to z. Minus y can be written as minus 1 whole power 2n plus 1. Okay. Similarly, x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 1 whole power 2n into y. Whatever the coefficient of pi is there, we wrote it as minus 1 whole power 2n. Here also, if we observe coefficient of pi is 2n plus 1, so we write minus 1 whole power 2n plus 1 into y. So by observing these two solutions, we write finally the general solution of sin x is equal to sin y. In the next step, we will write here. By combining the two results, we can write these two results as n by plus so finally this is the general solution. This is the general solution of trigonometric equation sin x is equal to sin y. If sin x is equal to sin y is given, then general solution of that trigonometric equation is x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into y, comma n belongs to z. You have to remember this only. Finally, this equation, for this trigonometric equation, this is the general solution. In the examination, they will not ask you this proof. They will not ask you this proof. Only for your convenient, only for your knowledge purpose, I explained this proof. Okay, my children. Now take the screenshot of this page number 2. Take the screenshot of this page number 2. Take it fast. Have you taken a screenshot? My dear children, have you taken the screenshot of this page number? Only Samuel told Esther, yes. Richard, Benjamin. What about other children? Are you taking the screenshot or not? Juice, Rexilin, Melam. What about Petsy? Nikhil? Yes. No. So, on the whole, you have to remember for this trigonometric equation, a trigonometric equation which is in the form of sin x is equal to sin y, then its general solution is x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into y, comma, n belongs to z. I am not explaining the general solutions of other two trigonometric functions. Directly I write general solutions because they will not ask you the proof. Okay, my children. A new student joined. Introduce yourself, my dear. Mebanskan Lingua.
Yes,
Yes.
my name is Mebang San Kuparlingwa.
Yes. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Meghalaya, Shillong.
Meghalaya, Shillong. Okay. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Now we are going to discuss trigonometric functions. Don't worry about for missing the previous classes. I will post the previous classes in the form of video format. Whatever the classes you missed previously, you have not attended for the previous classes. Yes or no? So I will post them in the form of video format, whatever the classes you missed. And notes also, the classwork notes in the form of PDF. So please watch all the videos day by day, every day, daily one video or two videos according to your leisure time. According to your leisure time, please watch the videos daily one video or two videos. And if there is any doubt, any confusion is there, then ask your doubts and get your doubts clarified. Please feel free to ask your doubts. Okay, my dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. And send me your WhatsApp number. Do you know my WhatsApp number?
No, sir.
No. This is my WhatsApp number. Send your WhatsApp number. I will send you the previous videos. Okay.
Yes, sir.
989848650618 and mention your name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear Easter, you also. Juice, are you watching the videos I have sent you? My dear Juice?
Yes, sir.
Are you watching the videos?
Yes, sir.
How many videos completed?
Sir, just the previous one is not completed. Sir, the recent one.
Please watch the videos, okay? Here, I did not prove this solution. In the textbook, proof is given, but in the examination point of view, they will not ask you. That is why I am not explaining this general solution of a trigonometric equation, which is in the form of cos x is equal to cos y, and then finally tan x is equal to tan y. X is equal to n pi plus y. So this is a table. You have to memorize these three general solutions. If a trigonometric equation is in the form of sin x is equal to sin y, then its general solution is x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into y, comma, n belongs to z. Similarly, cos x is equal to cos y. If a trigonometric equation is in this form, cos x is equal to cos y, then its general solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y, comma, n belongs to z. And the third equation, tan x is equal to tan y. If a trigonometric equation in the form of tan x is equal to tan y, then its general solution is x is equal to n pi plus y, comma, n belongs to z. Okay, my children. Only these two tables. Previously, I have drawn one table, and this is the second table. These two tables are very, very important for this exercise. These two tables are very, very important for this exercise. Okay, my children, you have to memorize these two tables well. Now take the screenshot of this page number 3. Take the screenshot of this page number 3 first. Have taken a screenshot of this page number 3, my dear children. Yes, Samuel, Easter. Only these two children taken the screenshot. What about, yes, Richan also taken the screenshot. Now come to the exercise sums. Now we start exercise sums. You should learn these two tables well. Okay, Madison. So these are called general solutions. These are called general solutions. Now there is another solution that is called principal solution. Principal solution means from the well-known table 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. These are called principal solutions. Principal solutions. You can understand by observing the sums in the exercise. All of you open the textbook at page number 78. All of you open the textbook at page number 78. See the first question. See the first question. Find the principal and general solutions of the following equations. See this trigonometric equation. Find the principal general solutions of tan x is equal to root 3. Tan x is equal to root 3. This is a given trigonometric equation. Tan x is equal to root 3. Tan x is equal to root 3. It is the given trigonometric equation. For this equation, okay, my dear Baban's son, you will receive the books once. Contact office staff. Okay, my dear Baban's son.
Yes, sir.
You can contact office staff. Do you know office number, school office number?
Yes, sir.
Then contact them. They will tell you what is the procedure.
Okay, sir.
Tan x is equal to root 3. From the well-known values, 0 degrees, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, yes or no? You have to recollect this table. You have to recollect this table to find the principal solution. From this table, where is root 3 against tan, at which angle you get to root 3? Observe this table. in this tan line, in this tan, third line, yes, tan 60 degrees. But in general, we don't use degree measure throughout these trigonometric functions. When you are expressing any angle in radian measure only, remember this point. You should not express any angle in the degree measure. You have to convert in your mind, you have to convert that degree measure into radian measure, and you have to say the answer. What is the x value here? Pi by 3. Yes or no? Don't say 60 degrees. Inculcate the habit of expressing any angle in radian measure only, not in degree measure in this chapter trigonometric functions. If they ask you, especially in the degree measure, only in that case you can express the angle in the degree measure. Otherwise, always express the angle in the radian measure only. Please remember this point. So, what is the principal value here? This angle only. This angle is nothing but principal value. From this table, whatever the angle you are finding, that is only principal value. So, tan x is equal to tan pi by 3. Tan x is equal to tan pi by 3. So this angle is said to be principal value, principal solution. Principal solution is x is equal to pi by 3. X is equal to pi by 3 is said to be principal solution. Then what about general solution? What about general solution? If you observe this equation, it is in the form of tan x is equal to tan y. This equation, if you observe this equation, it is in the form of tan x is equal to tan y, where y is equal to pi by 3. So we write general solution. Previously, we have learned general solution of a trigonometric equation, which is in the form of tan x is equal to tan y. What is the general solution of a trigonometric equation? Tan x is equal to tan y, tell me. N pi plus y. X is equal to n pi plus y, because so by using this general solution, we wrote general solution of the given trigonometric equation. X is equal to n pi plus pi by 3, comma, n belongs to z. That's all. If you memorize the two tables well, then you can solve these trigonometric equations in this exercise easily. Okay, my children, understood this solution? Understood this solution? What is meant by principal solution and what is meant by general solution? Understood these two? Yes. Now take the screenshot of this page number 4. Take the screenshot of this page number 4. Take it fast. Yes, have you taken a screenshot of this page number 4? Yes. Shall we go to the next question? Shall we go to the next question, my dear children? Shall we go to the next? Yes, it's time for next question. See the next question. Secant x is equal to 2. This is a given trigonometric equation. Time is up. Okay, it's okay, ma. It's okay, my dear Ria. We will discuss the remaining questions in this exercise in the next class. Okay, my dear children. Time is up. Now the time is 10 past 53 minutes. Okay. Okay, for reminding me the time. Now you can leave the meeting, my dear children. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
Stay at home. Stay safe. Sanitize your hands frequently and maintain social distance of 2 meters away from others. And do your duty sincerely and seriously. And write the classwork notes and submit it regularly. And practice, practice, and practice. That is only the way to improve your knowledge. Only that is only the way to get the knowledge, to improve your knowledge. Practice. Okay, my children, please remember this point.
Sir,
Yes, my
sir,
dear Nikhil.
sir, did you check my paper? Yesterday I was asking
I
you.
will, I will check. I will check it.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Don't
sir. Thank
worry.
you.
It doesn't matter. Marks is not a matter. Okay. Total is a mistake. That is okay. I will correct it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Uh,
Thank you, sir.
you have to concentrate. You have to focus on subject. Okay. You
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
improving your subject. Automatically you get marks. You get marks.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
By mistake, total mistake is gonna happen. Okay, I will correct it. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, my dear.